Class we discussed about mean and as well as mode. Now let us understand what is the median now. It's also measures central tendency. It gives the middlemost observation in the data. Data arranged in increasing order, you can find out the centralmost value or the middlemost value of the observation, that is called as a median. So now suppose if I take one example 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. It is in increasing order. So which is the middlemost value? That is 5. 5 is called as its median. So this is ungrouped data. So ungrouped data, but we have arranged in increasing order. To find out the middlemost observation, you have to write this either in increasing order or decreasing order. So now to find some steps, you look at this. To find the median of ungrouped data, arrange the data in the ascending order. Ascending means in increasing order. If it is n is odd, see here what is that I have taken? Odd number 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one. So n here 5. It is an odd number. So if that is the case, you can find out directly by taking n plus 1 by second observation. N plus 1 here, n here 5, 5 plus 1 divided by second observation. That means 6 by 2. So what is that? The third observation. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third observation from either this side or that side. So third observation is the median. Suppose if your n is equal to an even number, if n is odd, the median will be n plus 1 plus second observation. Look at this, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here there are 5 observations, 5 plus 1 by 2. So because n plus 1 by 2 you have to do 6 by 2, that is the third observation. Third observation here, 5 is the median. This is how you can tell. Suppose in case if n is even, how to do this? If n is even, if there are even number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's even. In such cases, you have to find the average of n by second and n by second plus 1th observation. N by second means here how many observations are there? 6. 6 by 2. 6 by 2. Here this becomes 6 by 2. So third observation. Third observation, then plus 1, fourth observation. You have to take the third and fourth observation. 1, 2, 3. Third one is this one. Then 3 plus 1, fourth observation. So you have to add the third and fourth observation. Here 6 by 2, here 3, this is 4. It is not 3 plus 4. It is the third observation and also fourth observation. Third one here 7. So you have to write the third one as 7, fourth one as 11. 7 plus 11 gives you 18. 18 divided by 2. So the median is equal to 9. Median here 9. So median may not be a observation of the given data. So 9 is not in this list. But even then you are getting the median here 9. So it may not be a entry in the list. It may not be a number in that list, given list. So it is in between 7 and 11. See, remember that when it is ungrouped data, if n is odd, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 only, odd number. So you have to take n plus 1 by second observation. So here n means 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by second, third observation. If n is even, then you have to do that n by 2. Here 6 observations are there, 6 by 2, third one, then plus 1, fourth one. Third one and fourth one you have to take. Third one here 7, fourth one here 11. Add them and divide it by 2. Average of these two. That is how. Now let us go to find the median of this same ungrouped data, but it is here like this, in this way. Marks obtained by the 100 students. So 20 marks, there are 6 students. So there's like 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 29, there are 28 students. 29, 29, there are like that 28 students. Then 28, there are 24 students. 28, 28, 28, like that 24 students. Then 33, 33, 33, how many? 15. Then 42, 2 only. 42. Then 38, 4, 38, 38, 38 and 38. Then 43, only 1. 25, there are 20. So these are the data given. But we arrange it like this. 20, frequency 6. That means 26 times appears in the data. 29, 28 times. But it's an ungrouped data only. So now arrange this in increasing order. See, first we have 20, then last 25 is there, in between 42 is there. So you can write in increasing order. 20, 6 entries, 25, 20 entries, 28, 24. So in the increasing order I have written. So total there are 100 students. So now 20, 25, 28. See, you know that 20 how many times it appears? 6 times. I don't know, 26 times. 28, 25 how many times it appears? It appears 20 times. Okay. Now n here it's even. N 100 it is even number. When it is even, what is the formula to find the median? When it is odd, you know, when it is even, what you have to do? See, average here, once again, listen here, n is equal to 100, it is even number. The median can be calculated average of n by second and n by second plus 1. N by second means here 50th and n by second plus 1 51st. 50th and 51st observation, average you have to take it. 50th observation, how to identify a 50th observation? So 20 there are 6 times, 25 20 times it appears, 28 24 times. So I need 50th one. If you write 20 6 times, 20 20 20 like this, you have to keep writing like this. Then 25, so like this 25 keep writing. This first one, second one, third one. I want 50th observation and 51st observation. By looking this, it is very difficult to identify 50th and 51st observation. So now 50th observation and 51st observation I want to find out by looking this data, but it is not easy to find out 50th and 51st observation. Finish now. 50th and 51st observation. For that, so what you have to do now? You have to arrange this data in a different way, so that you have to form a cumulative frequency table here. So now I will write up to 20. How many entries are there? You have to write like this, up to 20. Up to 20 we have only 6. 26. Then up to 25. So you have to find out up to 25. So that means including up to 20. Up to 25 means 0 to 25. Up to 20 means 0 to 20. We have only 6. Up to 25, you have to take this 6 plus 20. So it is 20 plus 6. It is 26 entries are there. Up to 25. Up to 25, 26. Up to 28. Up to 28, what is that? Up to 28, you can see here. Up to 28, 28 means including these three. 6, 20 plus 24. So that means 24 plus this 2, 26. How much it becomes? 50. There are 50 entries. Then the next one here, up to 29. You need to find out up to 29. Up to 29, now 29 here 28 are there. So that means 28 plus 50. 28 plus 50. It is 78. So then up to next value 33. Up to 33. 33, what is the value here? 33, 15. So that means 15 plus 78. How much it comes? 15 plus 78? 93. So then next data you see, up to, what is that we have taken? Up to 33, then up to 38, plus 4. Up to 38. So that means 4 plus 93. So it is 97. So then again, up to 42. Up to 42. So what is that we are having? 2. So that means 2 plus 97. It is 99. Then up to 43. Up to 43. What is that we are having? We have only 1. So 1 plus 99. So it is 100. So total it should match. 100 is this number, n is equal to 100. Now in this data, so what is that you are getting? 6, 26, 50, 28, 93, 97. All these things you are getting here. So now I want the 50th observation and 50th and 51st. So how to find 50th? See, this is up to 50 only. Okay, 50th observation, it is this one, 28. Now I want to find out 50th observation is 50th observation here, 50th here, 28. 50th observation. 50th observation is equal to 28. 50th here, 28 is there. Then what is the 51st observation? 51st observation, it cannot be 28. The next value comes here. That means it is 29. So 28 and 29. I want the median means. So median it is equal to average of this 50th and 51st observation. 28 plus 29 divided by 2. So here 17, 57 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 8s are 16, 28.5. So median is equal to 28.5. This is how you can find out this. So you have to arrange like this. So writing this, it is called as a cumulative frequency column. We call this as a cumulative frequency column. This one is called as a cumulative frequency column. Okay.